What's the meaning of Brighton? Brighton. Brighton.
Brighton. Brighton. Brighton is a seaside town located in the county of East Sussex in England. The name Brighton is believed to have originated from the Old English Bjorthelmstuen, which translates to Bjorthelm's farmstead or Bjorthelm's town. It was first recorded in the Domesday Book of 1086 as Bristolmestun. Over the years, Brighton has grown into a popular tourist destination for its beautiful beaches, historic pier, and vibrant cultural scene. It is also known for being a hub of creativity, with a thriving arts community and numerous festivals throughout the year.